Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Coursera for data science, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. Click on the Join for Free button, typically found in the top right corner. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Alternatively, you can choose to sign up using your Google or Facebook account for quicker registration. After entering your details, click on the Join Coursera button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Coursera. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Once your account is confirmed, return to the Coursera homepage and log in. Navigate to the search bar at the top of the page. Type Data Science in the search bar and press Enter. You will see a variety of data science courses and specializations. Browse through the available options to find the course that suits your needs. Click on the course title for more details about its content, duration, and instructors. If you decide to enroll, click the Enroll for Free button on the course page. You may be prompted to choose between the free trial or the paid option. Select your preferred option and follow the on-screen instructions. If you choose the free trial, you will need to enter your payment information. Complete your enrollment by clicking the Start Course button. Access the course materials from your dashboard. Start learning at your own pace and make use of available resources. Engage with the community through discussion forums for any questions or clarifications. Once you complete the course, consider sharing your achievements on LinkedIn or other platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.